We'll see. Oh shit! That looks so awesome.
That was good.
Who had the glasses on?
Oh, I did.
I'm gonna put the glasses in front of my
I was
lens.
just saying, I was thinking that.
I'm gonna do it.
Glasses.
The glasses are nice.
Wait, where's the hole?
Hold on,
There
let
it
me
is.
pop my shit.
That would be awesome.
Oh,
It's working, it's working. This
Yo,
would be
these
great.
glasses are legit, dude.
Look at that. Working? There we go, there we go, there we go. Sick.
Those glasses are legit.
I know, and it worked with the phone.
I got a cool ass picture.
I'm just putting it on the lens of this, and it works.
It works?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is a big one!
I'm gonna say, where is it?
Nice! That was a good one.
That
Was that it?
Is that it? Don't go near it.
It's already over.
Check it.
Oh, that was boring.
That's like, I'm not even gonna say I'm recording this.
Yeah, dude. Those glasses are legit.
I'm just gonna tape them to my phone all weekend.
That's what we need, those refillable canisters.
Yeah.
Comes with like 10 shells in a tube. Everybody buy a package and fucking...
Run, it's gonna blow!
Oh shit.
That's pretty.
Oh,
Yeah, wow, look how close it is.
Let's catch him. I love when you walk by a burp right in my phone.
Sorry.
No, just as I think. I'll just play them.
Put a Roman candle in the tube.
Let's see how many we can light all together.
Yeah.
Hang out. Hang out. The UAV is online. Call of Duty.
What?
Is it lighting?
Brah,
Brah, brah.
when I get the chills, I go brah.
Go, Alex.
Give me an A.
What
Is it not lighting? Boom!
Let it together.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Battle!
Battle of the Boots.
I got a fucking bazooka. Fuck you.
Wait, there's a car.
Yo, there's a car.
It's alright.
Yeah.
In your pocket.
Oh, we're lighting in the street? I didn't even realize.
I like that one.
I do too. It looks awesome with the glasses. Your camera's so delayed when you take a picture.
Hide, hide.
Light one right now.
Uh-oh.
Everybody don't move on the house.
Hi. Uh-oh. It's police. Get out.
Everybody run, everybody run.
I'm not running. I'm just going to hide behind the bush. Oh, kids. Oh, I thought we were in trouble.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's legal. Yeah. Oh, we're not in Massachusetts. Oh, that's right. Oh, let's go find them.
Oh, so now this is legit. Let him off. Let's go.
Yeah, I know. I forgot we're in New Hampshire. It's
I
fucking
know, we're all
legal.
like, yo, boom! Oh, you can tell we from Mass, nigga.
We know you guys are from the hood. Everybody ran this side.
Yeah, he was looking at us like, what the fuck? Yeah, they all ran behind. I'm like, I just stood here like, I'm looking at this right now. I don't fucking care.
I just ran. I just always run. Oh, my glasses. Hold on.
Go with that one. You're not going high enough. Go higher.
Awesome. This is going to be one long ass video.
Up we go. Wahoo yonder.
I know, because you girls like creative.
Dope. Let's go. They're different. Each one's a fucking.
This looks so cool with the glasses.
Whoa!
We gotta make things more interesting.
That
Oh, it's the part one. It's just the part one.
That is cool.
Hey.
Take a picture of that. Look at my shit. Oh God, help me.
You had the cop posing. That must be amazing with those glasses on.
It is.
Here comes another big one!
What is it? Video?
It's raining. Jeez.
It's already
That was awesome.
Oh, it's on fire! Is that on fire?
Everything's way too wet.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's a good thing.
She's like, I know, it's so good.
You're on fire.
Thank goodness it's wet out here.
We're preventing forest
Wait,
fires.
there's a car coming.
Yeah. Wait. Hold up.
Wait!
Car.
No fucks.
Doing it anyways. No fucks given. Justice! Did you just do that?
It's a hot ball of fire.
Yeah.
Watch. Tell them. Oh my God.
Watch out. Watch out for the
You guys are assholes. Tell them. Watch out.
Go out!
Hold up.
Car
Cat.
is dedicated. No! There's a car. Wait! Don't! Ah! Sorry, people. You're all sad. Do not pass go. This looks so fucking awesome with this. Damn better one.
Hear us. Across the river, they're like,
Yeah, those are serious.
I love that. Cops found those kids. They're fucking done.
We should go find them.
Got one more left.
One more. All right.
Missiles.
Finale. Finale.
What's that? Why is that black?
That's the grand finale, though. Yeah, hell yeah, let's put them all together at the same time.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, I got a lighter. Let's start getting all the extra shit.
No, I'm serious.
I'm gonna stop this for a second. I've been taping it the whole time. Oops.
In the house, we got garbage bags.
Stop. Why won't this stop?
I know.
Stop. Stop recording. It won't. Why won't